there's a lot of things that are considered sacred cows, and in the budget, sacred cow is usually a good thing. And the love of the Assembly's support for EOP and opportunity programs, and on the, say on Seek and Discovery on the CUNY side, is because particularly for us, and when I was even just a caucus member, providing opportunities for all of you, and when I say all of you, I mean students, to go through this path. It's so important. This is probably, I'd say, in a $170 billion budget. You know, it's a whole lot of money, right? This is probably one of the smarter investments that we make in that budget because of the returns. Like I said, the grades that all of you get are even much higher than, not much higher, just higher than students who don't go through the opportunity program track. And I just want to say, you know, it's going to be a tough budget, but this is always at the top of our list. I look at all of these beautiful and handsome faces and the intelligence that I see, that I just can't imagine where all of you will be in 10 years from now because of the opportunity that you were given. There are a lot of people up here who care about your futures and care about whatever it is that you want to do. I have no idea what it is that you want to do. I always like to quote Martin Luther King Jr. He spoke to an 8th grade graduating class, and he said to them, you know, whatever it is that you want to be in life, he said, even if it's to be a street sweeper, be the best that you can be. And that's all that we want to do. But I do want you to remember, no matter what people say about members of the legislature, this program is at the top of the list. And I just want you all to continue to make us proud. And more importantly, like I said, since you're not going to know a lot of the legislators personally, and the legislators won't know you personally, but we're doing this for a reason, because we want you to go on and be successful. So I just ask one thing of all of you, that whatever it is in life, when you become successful, just try to open the door for somebody else who looks like you. So can you do that for us? So good luck, everybody.